Did you know some phrases that we use every day in India sound super weird to the native speakers? Today in this video, I'm going to show you 6 Indian English phrases that you should avoid and what to say instead.
The first one is cousin brother or cousin sister. In India, we say things like, this is my cousin brother Rahul, just to clarify the gender. But in standard English, cousin is gender neutral, so it already means male or female. So you don't have to add brother or sister. You can simply say, this is my cousin Rahul. The next one, passed out. We often say, I passed out from college in 2022. But in Western countries, passed out means in French, like losing consciousness. So the right way to say is, I graduated in 2022. Because passed out has a totally different meaning in native English. Now you don't want people thinking you collapsed at your conclusion. Revert back. In professional emails, many people say, please revert back at the artist. But that is incorrect because revert already means return. So adding back is an extra baggage. Instead say, please reply soon or please revert soon. The next, our very own Indian English innovation, prepone. We often say, can I prepone this meeting? But the native speakers, they might have never even heard of this word. So instead say, can I move this meeting forward? Or say, can you reschedule it earlier? Because the word prepone doesn't exist in standard English dictionaries outside India. So it might confuse people even though your English is perfect.
Do the needful. This is a classic formal phrase that we use in India. Kindly do the needful at your end. But it sounds vague and outdated in modern English. If you simply say, please take the necessary action or please handle this. Because native speakers prefer direct and clear communication, and do the needful just sounds too old school and outdated. The last one, out of station. We say, I'm out of station when we are traveling. But to someone from US or UK, it literally sounds like you're standing just outside the station. Instead you say, I'm traveling or I'm out of the town. Now let me tell you, Indian English is a part of our identity and that's really awesome. But when you are speaking to a global audience, little changes like this can make you sound more natural and confident. Let me know in the comment section below which phrase you use all the time, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until then, bye bye and thank you.